we have one of the best defenses in the Big 12 and in the country. And one thing that we try to do is make the other team over-dribble. When we get guys to dribble a lot, they're not looking up for their teammates. It's easy to just take the ball from them, and they'll make bad decisions. So on the offensive side, when you get it, you either got a shot, you got to drive, or you got to pass. And if you're going to drive, you got to drive downhill like you're trying to go somewhere, not side to side. If you're going side to side, you might as well pass and make a cut, or screen away, or screen the ball, or something else. It's hard to score when you're just dribbling all the time because all the eyes are looking at you. It's easier to score when you make cuts or you screen and then slip or things like that. That's how you get easy buckets. So obviously, everyone likes to have the ball, everyone likes to dribble, and obviously you have to dribble as part of the game. But if you're not going somewhere with your dribble, you might as well pass it to a teammate and make another action because that's how you're going to score.